Good morning, YouTube. It is 8:48 on Wednesday, the 5th. Pretty sure it's the 5th. So I'm on my way to go visit my brother, and right near where he lives is a metal recycling yard where people take metal and recycle it. They get paid for it, and then so my understanding is, because one of my coworkers used to work there, that there are that people bring lawnmowers that are good, and they have this whole section in the middle of nothing but computers. So I'm going out on a scouting mission. I don't know if I'm going to buy anything today or not. I just don't. And so that's pretty much all I have to say for this section. You know, the weather is kind of crappy today, and yeah, I want to go check out what they have. If I find something that I really think I'll like, I will go ahead and my understanding is they sell it by the pound. I don't know how much per pound, but so we'll see what they have. If they have anything cool, you'll be the second to know, because obviously I'll be the first. But let's see what we can find. If not, we'll hit, I might need to hit a thrift store or two, because I need to get a monitor to sell with a computer I'm selling, because I want to sell it as a complete unit. And I don't have any nice monitors, because I am selling a decent computer, a gaming system. So we'll see what we can figure out. I will talk to you guys in a bit. Alright, so I went to this recycler and I got some bad news. They apparently palletize them. They wrap them and then they ship them to what they call a professional recycler for security reasons. So I asked them, I said, hey, could I buy one of these pallets? And they told me no. So I'm going to try to figure out some other stuff to vlog about today. I know I'm taking my kid somewhere for some reason, somewhere. I don't know where yet. But I'll see what I can come up with for vlogging, because I do want to get at least some sort of video out. And actually, although I did just upload one today. So yeah, I'll see what I can do. I'm a little bummed out. I'm going to go yell at the guy that told me that. Not really yell at him. I'm just going to bust his stones a little bit. And I'll try to talk to you guys later. So if you remember my live stream I did a couple days ago about my frustrations with my GoPro Hero 5, I finally have the mic adapter. So what I had gotten was a kit online. Now, the picture they showed on Amazon was this. So I was expecting every part of this. However, all it came with was this case, this microphone, and a little tripod thing I'm not even going to bother with. So when I opened it up, I saw that it did not have, well, this. I opened this up and I just took a quick glance and I'm like, oh, okay, that's fine, because this one has an adapter. Well, it has that adapter. GoPro Hero 5 does not. So this is the Pro 3.5mm mic adapter from GoPro, and we are going to test it out. I have already recorded a few seconds, I think it's like 14 seconds of video on the GoPro of what it sounds like in its current form, which happens right now. It's got my mount for my dash, but so what does this thing even look like? Looks like this. So what it's going to do is it's going to go through the case, hopefully. Or it's going to go like this. No, that can't work that way. It has to go this way. Okay, so it will fish through there. Okay. So it's going to fish through there, and then it's going to go through here. This has a weird piece on it. You kind of have to press it and slide it. It works. I mean, it works. So what we're going to do now, I tried another adapter that they had at Best Buy, but when I tried switching the input on the GoPro, it was still grayed out, so I wasn't able to do that. So we're going to hook this up. Man, that is not elegant. Clive Sinclair would not approve of this. So we need to go into preferences. Voice control, no. Auto. Audio input, standard mic. Or standard mic plus, which I think is a powered. Oh, okay. Supports non-powered mics, but boosts 20%. So we might try both of those. So here's what I'm actually going to do right now. Crap. We're going to go with standard mic. And I'm going to put this mic on. And I'm going to face it like most other people would. So we're going to go back. This is an audio test of the GoPro Hero 5 with the original battery, the original microphone. I am going to go install the aftermarket microphone now and see how much better this sounds. This is a test of the GoPro mic adapter along with, I forget what brand this mic is. I will post it below. It is actually the ceramic microphone. The microphone is facing away from me and is on the standard setting. Now the microphone is facing towards me, still on the normal setting. And now I will pause the video and change the microphone sensitivity. And this is a test of the ceramic microphone with 20% or 20 dB boost. I'm going to try to describe what I did to my trailer the other day. I did a truck bed coating on the floor of it while also painting the rest of it blue. And then I'm going to switch over to the other microphone and do the same exact test. This is a test of the lapel mic set in standard mode. Again, we're looking at the trailer. I don't think it turned out pretty bad, but I did have a pretty bad accident with it that involved my hands turning black. But it actually looks pretty decent. I have some other work I still need to do. But I am about to switch over to the boosted mic. And now we're on the wired lapel mic. I can be as far away as I want or close. It doesn't matter. And this has the 20 dB boost. My next project is going to be to clean up where I've had the spills, and then also clean up the trailer tongue, paint that, probably replace the jack. I have a replacement for the trailer tongue coupler. And then I also need to install lights, even though a trailer this size is actually not required to have lights in the state of New Jersey. But there are other states that I travel that do. I also need to redo the wheel bearings. Interrupted by my neighbor. But we're going to go ahead and call this a test anyway. So thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.